Students, I'm going to discuss about Barr bodies. Okay, what about the Barr bodies? Okay, condensed inactive X chromosome found in nuclei of all somatic cells in the body of most female mammals, including humans. That is goes to the chromatinization, that is the sex chromatin. That is the sex chromatin. Students, females have two X chromosomes. Females have two X chromosomes. Males have XY chromosomes. So, for example, if you observe human beings, okay, females have two X chromosomes. Males have only one of the X chromosome. Okay, students, in this, females additionally, when it is compared with the sex chromosomes, X chromosome present in the male, females have two X chromosomes. Students, for the dosage compensation, one of the X chromosome present in the females goes to the condensation and goes to the inactive. Okay, that is the condensed inactive X chromosome that is found in the nuclei of the somatic cells in most mammals, including human beings also. That is called Barr bodies. Extra X chromosome present in the females, that is goes to the inactivation and the condensation, and which is found in nucleus of the somatic cells in most mammals and the human beings. Student, nuclei, it is the plural form of the nucleus. Nucleus is the singular, nucleus is the plural. Okay, and what is the meaning of heterochromatinization? Student, nucleus that consists of euchromatin enter the part of the DNA, RNA and protein content that goes to the expression, that goes to the gene expression, that codes the formation of some amount of the materials, that is called euchromatin. Okay, it is active form of the genetic material in the genome of the nucleus, which is the content that goes to the gene expression. Active form of the genome, that is called euchromatin, present in the nucleus of the cell. Next, conversion of the euchromatin into heterochromatin, inactive form of the genome, that is opposite to the euchromatin. Okay, student, heterochromatin, that is the content of the DNA does not goes to the gene expression, that is called heterochromatin. Okay, conversion of euchromatin into heterochromatin during inactivation of the X chromosome in early stage of the embryogenesis, early stages of the embryonic development. Euchromatin, some amount of the euchromatin present in the genome within the nucleus of the cell, that goes to that convert into the heterochromatin. Okay, student, at the time of the inactivation, during the inactivation of the X chromosome, it is conversion of the euchromatin into the heterochromatin. The entire the DNA is attaches with the one X chromosome, which is participates in the gene expression, that is goes to the inactivation of the X chromosome. Okay, student, in early embryonic stages of the mammalian females, Okay students, X chromosome present in the female, one of the X chromosome present in the female, which is the DNA is attaches with the X chromosome, that entire the euchromatin goes to the heterochromatin during the inactivation of the X chromosome in early embryonic stages of the female mammals. Student, that is called heterochromatinization. Okay student, heterochromatinized X chromosome. This is the X chromosome. Before it going into the heterochromatinization, that is available in the form of the euchromatin in entire genome of the nucleus of cell. That is heterochromatinization. After the heterochromatinized chromosome, heterochromatinized X chromosome is appeared as a darkly stained body. Student, that is heterochromatinized X chromosome appeared as a darkly stained body that attaches to the nucleus membrane. Okay student, that is identified by Murray L. Barr. Hence these are called Barr bodies. One of the X chromosome, it is goes to the condense, goes to the inactivation. Okay, it goes to the heterochromatinization. Okay students, heterochromatin, it is converted into the heterochromatin. This is appeared as a dark body which is attaches to the nucleus membrane of the cell. Sure, that is called heterochromatinization. This entire process is firstly identified and discovered by Murray L. Barr. Hence it is called Barr bodies. Student, Barr and Bertram, two scientists. Barr and Bertram. These are the Barr bodies observed in nerve cells of the female cats, and these are at the same time, these are not present in the males. These are the Barr bodies observed in the somatic cells of the female cat, and at the same time male cat does not possess these Barr bodies. Okay, in humans identified female cells, these are the Barr bodies in humans identified in the female cells and also derived from the buccal cells present in buccal mucosa and also derived from the fibroblast. Fibroblast are the cells present in the connective tissue of the body. Okay, in female mammals, these are the Barr bodies are appeared as a drumstick like structure and attaches to the any lobe of the nucleus of neutrophils. It is appeared as a drumstick like projection on one of the lobe of the neutrophils. Neutrophils are the one type of the white blood cells, and nucleus is divides into lobes. Any one of the lobe passes the drumstick like projection, that is the Barr body. Okay student, and another one, Mary Lyon and Lyon Russell. Okay, two scientists proposes X inactivation, also called lionization. Okay student, what is the meaning of the X inactivation or lionization? That means two copies of X chromosomes present in the females. In this, one of the X chromosome present in body cells of the female mammals goes to the inactivation. Two X chromosomes present in the females for the dosage compensation. Okay, for the equalization of the gene expression in both of the individuals, male and the females. One of the X chromosome present in the females, that is appeared, that is goes to the conversion of the heterochromatin, goes to the condensation, goes to the inactivation, and appeared as a dark body like structure on the nucleus membrane of the cell, that is called X inactivation or lionization by Mary Lyon and Lyon Russell. Student, what is the meaning of the dosage compensation? Dosage compensation, that means, students, organisms equalize expression of the genes between two different individuals, so two different biosexes, males and the females. Okay, to equalize the expression of the genes in two different males and the females. Okay, student, females have 2 X chromosomes, males have only 1 X chromosome. Okay, by the processing of the gene expression, one of the X chromosome shows the gene expression and another one of the X chromosome also shows the gene expression available as a euchromatin. Okay, but males have only one of the X chromosome, okay, which is available in the form of the euchromatin. In this, to equalize the gene expression in both of the individuals, females which are having 2 X chromosomes, one of the X chromosome goes to the inactivation, okay, goes to the condensation, goes to the heterochromatinization. Student, that is called dosage compensation. Student, organism equalize expression of the gene expression between two different individuals. In humans, females which have 2 X chromosomes silence the transcription of 1 X chromosome. One of the X chromosome, by going into condensation, inactivation, heterochromatinization, one of the X chromosome enters into the silence to gene expression, to transcription. Okay, students, females silence the transcription of 1 X chromosome, okay, of each pair, and all information is transcribed from another one of the X chromosome, that is equal to the males. Okay, by this way, thus gene expression in the females is equal to the males. Okay, students, this random inactivation of 1 X chromosome, student, females have 2 X chromosomes. This is the one of the X chromosome, this is the one of the X chromosome. Okay, after the heterochromatinization, one of the X chromosome in the females going to inactivation, going to condensation, going to heterochromatinization. Student, this is X chromosome, small X chromosome. After conversion of the heterochromatinization, after the condensation, after the inactivation, student, that is equal to the gene expression of males. Males have only one of the X chromosome. After the chromatinization, after the heterochromatinization, females also possess 1 X chromosome. This is available in the form of the bar body. Okay, this is the Y chromosome. Okay, gene expression is equal after the condensation, inactivation in both of the individuals, such as males and the females. Females have one X chromosome, another one of the X chromosome is available in the form of the Barr body. And males have only one of the X chromosome, another one is the Y chromosome. Students, if you observe, this is the body cell, somatic cell membrane, and it is the nucleus. Student, nucleus, it is the entire cytoplasm. Nucleus membrane, if you observe nucleus membrane, the Barr body is attaches. Barr body is appeared as a dark body like structure and attaches to the nucleus membrane. Okay, student, this is the Barr body. This is the heterochromatinization form of the X chromosome. X chromosome is appeared as a Barr body after the heterochromatinization. Student, if you observe, number of Barr bodies follows as n-1 rule. Okay, how to discover the number of Barr bodies in the somatic cells? Number of Barr bodies identified as a following of n-1 rule. n-1 rule that helps to identification of the number of Barr bodies in the somatic cell. Student, if you observe Turner's females means this is the Turner syndrome present in the females. It is the one of the genetic disorder, Turner syndrome. Okay, 45 chromosomes, totally 45 chromosomes present in the karyotype. Karyotype is with one absence of one X chromosomes. Females possess 2 X chromosomes. If you observe in Turner's females, one of the X chromosome is absent. Okay, students, and total the number of the chromosome is equal to 45. Okay, instead of 46 chromosomes, one of the X chromosome is absent. Okay, student, and n-1 that is equal to n-1. n-1 means n is equal to total number of X chromosomes. Total number of X chromosome is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So no Barr bodies present in Turner's females. Okay, how many number of Barr bodies present in Klinefelter males? Klinefelter syndrome, it is the one of the genetical disorder. Okay, karyotype is 47XXY. Normally 2 X chromosomes present in the females and XY chromosomes present in the females. Student, Klinefelter males possess 1 X chromosome additionally. Student, total number of the chromosomes are X chromosomes are 2 in number. Students, according to n-1 rule, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Number of Barr bodies are 1. And females possess 47 chromosomes totally with karyotype XXY. 3 X chromosomes present in the females. If 3 X chromosomes present in the females, number of Barr bodies are 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Number of Barr bodies are 2 in number. And 48 chromosomes, total 48 chromosomes are present and X chromosomes are 4 in number. Okay, and n-1 rule equal to 3. Students, 4 minus 1. Number of X chromosomes are 4. 4 minus 1. Total 3. Number of Barr bodies are 3 in number. Okay, number of Barr bodies identified as n-1 rule. n-1 rule. N means n is equal to total the number of the X chromosomes minus 1. Students, 2 minus 1, number of Barr bodies is 1. 3 minus 1, number of Barr bodies are 2 in number. And 4 minus 1, number of Barr bodies are 3. Okay, students, In this way, number of Barr bodies are identified in the somatic cells of the most mammals.